Hello everyone, I am Ipsita Chatterjee, a third year undergraduate student of Computer Engineering at Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, University of Delhi, and I am going to demonstrate my application Sociable. In a world brought together by the internet, times of queuing up at employment agencies for jobs and the times of interviewing scores of candidates for hours is long gone. Now, almost all job application processes are through online portals, and the candidates are simply required to fill in their personal details, submit their resume, a cover letter, or a statement of purpose, and they are good to go. But for the HR managers sitting at the other end of the application portal, sifting through thousands of applications to pick out the suitable ones, judging their compatibility with the organization is a mammoth task. This is where Sociable comes in. Sociable is a tool which provides detailed personality insights on the basis of a body of original text submitted by the individual. This is based on the Personality Insights service on the Watson Developer Cloud by IBM. The analysis is represented in three forms, which I will now demonstrate here. I have a body of demo text, which is on the application by default. We have a candidate personality summary, which is textual. We have the data behind the candidate personality. There are the big five: openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, emotional range. Then we have needs and values. We also have a visualization of this data: adventurousness, artistic interests, and a negative hedonism, and so on. For Sociable to work properly, we need a minimum of 3,500 and ideally 6,000 or more words, but for the demonstration purposes, it is a minimum of 100 words in this text area. But for statistically significant results, we need this 35 to 6,000, 3,500 to 6,000 words or more. And currently, this is supported in two languages, English and Spanish. So in order to demonstrate my application, I will analyze a few of the famous speeches freely available in the public domain. On the text area, I have now pasted the Quit India address on 8th August 1942 at the ICC by Mahatma Gandhi, and I will now analyze this. So now we have a candidate personality summary: inner directed, restrained, particular, philosophical. Choices are driven by a desire for organization and other visualization. Now I'm going to analyze Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Independence Day 2016 address. We have shrewd, inner directed, and restrained; empathetic, again driven by a desire for organization, and then as expected, the data here as well. I now have the famous I Have a Dream speech by Martin Luther King Jr., and I'm going to click on Analyze. Analytical, particular, and guarded, appreciative of art, choices driven by a desire for discovery, and then similarly the data and visualization. Lastly, I have with me in the text area US presidential candidate Donald Trump's speech on illegal immigrants as delivered at Arizona on 31st August 2016, and I am going to analyze it. We have analytical, excitable, and can be perceived as critical; empathetic, motivated to seek out experiences that provide a strong feeling of organization; relatively unconcerned with both achieving and success and taking pleasure in life; data behind the candidate personality and its corresponding visualization. So as you can see, Sociable can be used to automate absolutely any process which involves gauging a person's personality without meeting them in person. And this can be used in recruitments, as I have already demonstrated. It can be used by voters who are seeking to elect their representatives. It can be used in other application processes, and the applications are vast, wide ranging, and numerous. Thank you for, and this was sociable for you. Thank you very much.